Hello my mermaids and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we have today is XrsBeauty Your Natural Hair. Now this company is really wonderful and I really love this unit because it's perfect for my ladies who like natural hair, natural wigs. They want it to look like it's their hair. So this is the company that you're going to go for if that's the look that you're going for. I have a 20-inch Brazilian unit here. This unit is 20 inches. You do not have to bleach this unit. You do not have to pluck this unit. You don't have to do absolutely anything to it. All you do is put it on your head and apply it. That is it. And of course, they give you all the little goodies and things that you're going to need. I love that they gave me some flexi rods and a nice wide tooth comb. I am in love. This is the hairline, you guys. I don't have to pluck it. I don't have to bleach it. I don't have to do anything. It is a flawless, perfect, natural hairline. It was so good, you guys. I didn't even want to put a part or any baby hairs in this unit. I wanted to show you guys how natural, how beautiful this unit is. I didn't do the bald cap method like I normally do. All I did was I put the wig cap on and I did a little bit of spray just to secure the wig cap. And I went ahead and added my foundation to the cap. And I'm going to apply it just like that. Super easy, super quick, super simple. And you can get this done within 10 minutes. Your hair can be done within 10 minutes. You guys, I literally did nothing to this wig. Nothing. I didn't have to bleach it. I didn't have to pluck it. I didn't have to do anything. It comes fully ready to go for those women who like natural units. Women, men, whoever likes to wear a wig. So here it is after I've blended my foundation to it. And again, it's like you just don't have to do anything. It's HD lace. You don't have to do anything but apply the glue and put it down. That's it. I'm going to just go ahead and peel this back and get ready to apply my favorite lace spray, which is the Eben Super Hold. This is the powerful hold. It's going to last you for a couple of weeks. I prefer spray over glue. To me, it's just easier for me to apply it, and I just like doing it this way. So I'm going to do 3 coats of this. I'm going to let it get tacky, not completely dry, but a nice tacky so that the lace can stick to it, and it just allows it to be placed properly. So make sure it's tacky first before you move on after 3 layers. Now I'm testing it to see if it's tacky, and it is, and I'm just going to work in sections. I'm going to start by pulling the front portion of it down into that tacky adhesive glue, and then I'm going to start on the other side, and then I'm going to work my way on the other side. I'm going to take the small little brush for your baby hairs, and I'm going to brush that into that glue, that hair, the lace, brushing it all in there, going back. And you can see it's effortless, it's flawless already. And again, taking the other side and applying it. Look at this hairline, you guys. This is the most natural hairline I have ever had. It is gorgeous. This looks like your hair. And the density is perfect for those who don't like too thick hair. It's perfect. This is a perfect everyday unit. This is a unit for wigs, not wigs, for the office. If you have like a modest job, you can't do too much crazy hair, this is so perfect, and you don't have to do anything to it. Take it out of the bag, put it on your head, and you're done. Cut the lace off and you're done. And you're done. I love it. The hair does itself. It really does. So now I'm just cutting the lace. Be careful cutting the lace, you guys. I did cut a little bit of the hair off right here. I wasn't paying attention, so a little bit of the hair got cut off, but just be careful with that side. And it's really easy to cut. The lace was very easy to cut. And now I'm just taking some of the Got To Be spray on my finger, and I'm tapping that around the hairline on any areas that I feel like might be lifting. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my elastic band back around my hairline just to let it melt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start working on flat ironing the hair. I'm not doing any baby hairs on this unit or any part or anything, because I want to show you guys how natural and how pretty this unit is. You really just don't need to do anything. And it already comes nice and straight, but just to get it more straight, I am gonna go ahead and use my flat iron and just run through that a few times. It's flowy, it's bouncy, it's moving. It's very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful hair. You guys, if you're interested in this unit, please check the link in the description box. If you love natural hair, if you don't like hair that has too much of a density, just doing too much, it takes you too much, you don't got time to be plucking, bleaching, none of that, this is the wig for you. It's going to last you a long time, and it's very, very, very high quality. I got so many compliments on this unit, so many compliments. So it will look just as good on you. It looks very, very natural, very natural. So definitely, I think it will look really good on you. It looks good on anybody, in my opinion. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my elastic band off and show you guys how melted this baby is. I mean, it's melted. The hairline is so natural. So natural, so beautiful. I love it. Look at that hairline, you guys. No part, no baby hairs, no nothing. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It looks so pretty. The only thing I forgot to do was wipe my forehead off. It did have a little bit of a white cast around the sides, but I just needed to wipe that off, but it's fine. You get the point of how natural this hairline is. It looks like it's my hair. Very, very pretty. I'm just showing you the hairline, you guys, here. So pretty. Hands go right through it. Beautiful luster, beautiful shine. My hands go right through it. It's not tangled. It just looks so pretty. It looks so natural. I just couldn't believe how pretty and how natural it was. All right, you guys, so this is the hair all done. I love it. I'm happy with it. It looks very beautiful. It looks very natural. It looks like my hair. The HD lace is bomb. It's perfect. Everything about this unit is perfect. Definitely check the link in the description box to get your hands on one of these. I definitely think a natural unit is good in the collection. I love my dramatic wigs, but having a natural wig is definitely something that we should consider having, because you just never know. You just want to just wear something natural. Sometimes you just don't feel like doing a whole bunch of stuff with your hair. Maybe you just want to just look like the girl next door, effortless. This is that wig, and it looks so good. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Shout out to XrsBeauty Hair for sending me this hair, and they specialize in natural hair, you guys. Natural looking units, natural installs, natural hairlines. So yeah, I love the hair. I'm thankful for it, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye bye.